Anthony here with Kiteboarding St. Petersburg in Sicily. And so went out a little bit too early, and this will cover what to do, some of the common mistakes for water relaunching when the winds are very light. Or if you were in deep water, same sort of thing. These are the same basic mistakes. So the first mistake is trying to water relaunch the normal way by using one of the outside steering lines. If the winds are too light, or if you're in deep water and you're getting pulled with the current towards the kite and you can't hold your ground, this is a common scenario. I could be doing this for a while, and it may try to come up, but it doesn't actually come up because the winds are just too light. So the best thing to do in this scenario is hold like normal and then go for the opposite center line, maybe 2 or 3 feet up. I go. I'll hold it with the same line. I'm focusing tension on the center line to rotate the kite. Once it gets vertical, I'm going to let go of the center line, focus on this line, balancing my tension, almost stalling it, guide it a little, and upsy-daisy we go. Crashed again. I just don't know how to kiteboard it today. Or the winds are very light. Let's go with the winds are very light. So the second mistake for water relaunching in very light wind. A lot of people grab the control bar, which you shouldn't grab the control bar in any sort of launching scenario, and all you're doing is just pulling on the bar. You have the bar sheeted in all the way, and you're just pulling on one of the lines, or both the lines. This is never any good, and you'll never be able to get the kite off the water. Guaranteed, no shot. I could stand here all day doing this. Even when the winds pick up, it'd be difficult to get the kite off the water. Same sort of thing. I'm gonna focus on tension on the opposite center line. So if I'm gonna use this outside line, I wanna be focusing all my energy 3 feet up, around 3 feet up on the opposite center line, and I'll hold the lines together. If you're in shallow water, what you can do to get a little bit of momentum is go backwards. Gives you a little bit of apparent wind technically, but that's the second way. Here's another situation for light winds, is backstalling the kite so that the leading edge of the kite is facing straight up. So in this situation, I want to position the kite directly downwind of me. So I would say that the wind is blowing in that direction. So to be super technical, I need to get a little bit more this way, so that the wind is going to go directly down towards the kite. At this point, I can walk, if I can walk, or if you can walk, try and walk into the wind and just focus on pulling the center lines.